All right, I have another mechanical pencil. This is the Sumo Grip by Sakura. This is the 0.9 millimeter. I like it. It does come with its own lead, but I put, in this one, I put the pilot. Let me get the pilot part in there. Graphite. This is the HB, but it's called Neox, I guess. But this one comes with its a eraser. You just turn this and it comes right out. It's really good. Although if you're pressing too hard when you're erasing, it'll activate, as you can see. But no, I don't think many people are pressing that hard to erase something. It's plastic, as you can see, clear plastic, which is kind of cool. It has a rubberized, cushiony grip at the bottom. I think it's triangular, it seems. I kind of like it. It has a clip, plastic clip. I don't think you can take it off, although you probably could if you tried. Let's see now. It comes in 9 millimeter, 7 millimeter, and 5 millimeter. And I think that's all. They come in different colors, like 2 other colors, I believe. Balance, let's see. Oops. There's the balance on it. Rattle, there's no rattle. It is a little top heavy because of the eraser, I think. But I can deal with that because I like that it's there, even though I use my block and stick eraser mostly. But this is convenient when you're happen to forget it or things like that. That has no HB indicator, like the lead grade indicator, other than the size. It has the eraser, and it comes out fairly easy, like so. And then you can refill it with lead. There's lead in there. Let me go ahead and make sure, because I don't think I put that many lead in there. Pretty sure I didn't. Yeah, let me make sure I put because some reason, I'm not sure. Go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to be selling these online. And what I've been doing, knowing that I'm going to be using them and then selling them, maybe not this one because I like this one, I'm not going to sell this one, but to make sure that it's the lead I say it is, I did that on purpose because what I've been doing is emptying them and then putting a single lead in it. But when I just looked at the eraser, took it out to show how easy or hard it is to take out the eraser, I noticed there was a spare lead in there. And so that's why I did what I just did. But as you can see, it was fairly simple to do that. All right, ABCs. Did I forget anything? Rattle, rotation, shake, maintenance, pros, cons. Oh, the cons on this one, I think it's a little on the thick side, but for not many people might think that, because a lot of the ones with the rubber grips are like that, and you kind of know what you're getting into. But there are slimmer mechanical pencils and pens that are thinner, we still have a rubberized grip. ABCs. One, two, three. Get a line. squiggly. Then do my lines for erasing. And now I'm going to erase them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Erased pretty good, I think. Dang it. There's that. There's the erasing. Did pretty good. Alright, well, that was that one. And I'll see you on the next few. Thank you.